Happy Saturday afternoon. We've just sat in, watched a particularly lacklustre UEFA Champions Cup. Congratulations to my Liverpool supporting family, commiserations to my Tottenham supporting friends, but we gave up watching that because it's hike time. Here we are at the Coyote Hills, which is right down in the bay, and so we're going to go and have a commanding view of the bay, the ornithology of the mudflats, and just enjoying the scenery with Andy Lawrence, who's here fresh back from the UK, and of course the suitcase full of candy sweets that he bought us. Filming you for insurance purposes. Across the bay, just here, is the Dumbarton Bridge, which is the southern bridge of San Francisco Bay. When you go across there, you come straight across and onto Facebook, their location. Facebook, just over the bridge. So come across the picnic table, and you know what the law says: picnic table equals tea. Very breezy up here, great day to overlook the bay, so cheers. You meant to say cheers, Andy.
Cheers.
Say cheers to the say cheers to the people.
Cheers.
Cheers to the people. Cheers. That's how we do it. He'll learn. And actually the breeze, it's about 75 degrees, so it's just a nice warm breeze. Would you like some crisps? I have Walker's bacon, Walker's salt vinegar. What's it going to be? Okay, I'll take the smoky bacon. Look over there, you can see the white there.
Still recording.
Yeah. This is my Trevor Noah between the scenes shot that you feature in a lot of videos. Look over there, see that white there?
Right.
That's the marine layer, that's the cloud just oozing over the top of the hill.
No, that's what's
In other words, on the other side of there, on the seaward side, which is over that hill is the sea, it's probably foggy.
This looks like a giant big cloud.
Yeah. So what I would always imagine it would be like if there's a tsunami coming over the top and it's just going
Things.
So these are salt flats, and so
Right.
the salt that you use in your dinner, they actually, it's very, very shallow, and you can see the white forming, and so that evaporates and they come and scoop all the salt off. That's
Really?
what makes your salt for your fish and chips. You can actually walk right out onto the point. It's getting up a gale here. me friends, this has got the look of the crags of tumble down about it. Controlled glider by the man in the orange t-shirt there. Let's go and have a look. You're just using the power of the breeze there.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
Are you just using the lift from the cliff to give you the lift on the glider?
Yeah.
Cool.
We call this slope soaring.
Slope soaring.